Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up and use Gmail on PC. So for you to be able to use Gmail on PC, first thing you have to do is you have to open your browser, or you can just try and download the app from your Microsoft Store, or you go to the official website, then you download the Gmail app for your PC. But currently right now I'm just going to use the website. So you log on to your browser, then you input the web address, which is Gmail. And here you can see gmail.com, the log. So I'm just going to, so this will take me, you can see, sign in to Google account, then to switch in and take me back to my account. You can see this is my account right here, which is okay, good. But currently this is not the Gmail. Just have to take us to the Google account. So just click on this option right here, which is this icon. Then you click on Gmail. You should take us to the Gmail. So you can see mail.google.com, which is official website. Alright, that's good. You can see Google Workspace, and this is my mail currently. This is my mail currently, and this is, if you follow the step, then you should have something like this. So, which is probably good. Then this is your inbox. This is your start, this is your note, this is your sent mail, and this is the draft message, this is your draft box. Then with one more and get more from here. Right here you can have the contact message, your chat, your scheduled message, your scheduled mail, all your mail, whether the scheduled one, the drafted, everything, and your spam, your trash, the categories, and all of that stuff like that. And this is where you can find it, and that's how to set up your mails. If you find this video helpful, like and follow from me. Thank you.